All right, we're back with my last one I'm recording for the week. I record usually 5 a week. So today we're going through lesson 9. I know I had a couple on there last week, but we're stopping at lesson 9 today. I hope that doesn't mess anybody up. I don't know. Maybe I'll throw lesson 10 on there tomorrow so we're even. We'll see. We'll see. Check back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. Maybe it'll be up there. Maybe it won't. We'll just have to see what happens. All right, let's get back. Let's get going. Eureka Math Squared. I'm Mr. Short. This is 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 9. We're on pages 55 and 56 today. All right, the square represents 1. So this whole square is 1. Label the area model to show the equivalent fraction. Express equivalence by using multiplication. All right, they did this one for you. Like it's done already. So let's just figure it out. All right, see that dotted line? Don't count that right now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 whole, 5's on the bottom. That's our denominator, which we're getting there. That's coming soon. All right, on the top, which is our numerator, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 there. So we have 4 that are green and 5 total. So we have 4 and 5. This one, look at, they got a dotted line. Now we have 2. We've doubled, right? So look at 2 times 5 equals, what's 2? We're going to write this down here again. 2 times 4, 2 times 5 equals line. All right, so we're multiplying both of these by 2. So what is 2 times 4? Yep, that's a bad 8. I don't have the best handwriting. I don't print the best either. There, that looks like a better snowman. All right, so top 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. They gave us the work, so now let's just finish off. So we need to turn this into from 5 parts into 10 parts. So if we look at that dotted line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have our 10 parts. How many are shaded in now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll go 8 over 10. We're done. We did a problem. We showed equivalence. Remember, this is supposed to be here. I just wanted to draw it bigger so it's easier for you to see. Yeah, I don't know where that arrow is pointing either. I don't. Sometimes this seems like it's going to work out better than it does for me. There. Now we're pointing at the right thing. All right. Number 2, partition the area model to show smaller units, then label equivalent fraction. Express the equivalence by using multiplication, just like we did here. Decompose into, oh, it wants eighths. Eighths. Well, that helps us. Even though they're being a little bossy telling us what to do. And it says it's smaller. So just so you know, remember, most of the time, the smaller the number, the smaller the piece, right? The only time that gets tricky is when you're almost to the whole number, but we'll get there at another time. So right now, we're making smaller pieces. Okay? Smaller pieces. We want eighths. Eighths. So we go 3/4 equals blank times 3, 4 equals, but they told us they want eighths. They told us they want eighths. So what do we have to multiply 4 by to get to 8? 4 times what equals 8? Yes, 2. So again, if we're multiplying the bottom, because we want them to be equivalent, we have to also multiply the top by that number. Okay? So 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So now we need to have 6 pieces shaded in, but we need to have 8 total pieces. We multiplied this by 2. So if we draw one line across the middle, we now have, look at 1, 2, where it was 1. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We doubled. We turned 1 into 2, which doubled everything. So now if we count, we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. How many are green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 there. And look at that. Done. Done, done, done. Okay. Let's see what we got on page 56. Turn hours into minutes. Sometimes you guys stare at the clock and I think it stops, but it doesn't. So 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60. The rest is on you to do. Find the multiplication problem. to solve these. There's a hint because, I don't know, I feel like helping you out a little more today. All right. That's it for me on this one. I hope these are helping. I hope you're taking your time. I hope you understand it. I hope you're rewinding, watching it again if you don't get it. You need to understand fractions. It's really important. Really, really important because it only gets harder. So you got to take your time now. Pay attention, figure out. All right. I'm out of here. This was Mr. Short, Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 9. Have a good night.